Hello world! On the Just Jotted news, Hugh Jackman kick-started his From New York with Love residency at Radio City Music Hall on Friday night, January 24, and he did so with the support of three major stars. 56 years old Wolverine actor is revisiting songs from his repertoire of musical with a string of performances on the New York City stage throughout 2025. When he took the stage for the first time, three stars who are very close to Huge were spotted in the audience. One of them participated in the show and paid the Tony-winning actor some huge compliments. One of the big stars was Shawn Levy, who directed Huge in last summer's major blockbuster. Deadpool and Wolverine attended the show. Second, Ryan Reynolds was also spotted in the audience and even participated in the show at one point. Let's watch here the video from People's News on what Ryan said for Huge.
Hello, Hugh. It's Ryan. And I have been lucky enough to he's my gotcha for life, right here. I mean it. Thank you, Gus. I'm his second best friend. All right, Gus. Jesus, I'm so sorry. This is just awful. And I just want to, like, I know we were supposed to finish this bit where this two security gentlemen come and they try to take the mic from me. It's like a struggle, and then they tase me, and I go down, and then they hog tie me, and then they put me in the Radio City Music garbage dump, and then they just light it on fire. But I wanted to actually just say, I love this man. I care about this man. He is genuinely the best human being I know. And I have 4 children. He is the best. Enjoy the rest of the show. You owe me $100.
Yeah, I love you, Ryan. I love you, Ryan.
And the other one big star who was there was Huge's girlfriend. Sutton Foster was spotted in the audience at the event. People's News obtained exclusive photo of her arriving at the show. Radio City Music Hall residency is scheduled to run through October 2025. Magical day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!